Good morning, Scott Lara here, TRS Coral. Two questions that people ask me the most. Number one, what's your favorite Palladium resort? And you know I've been to them all. I've been to Lady Hamilton, I've been to TRS Coral, TRS Yucatan, TRS Cap Cana, Lady Hamilton. I've been to all of them here in this region, you know, in the Caribbean. And the answer to that question is, whatever resort I'm standing on the beach or in a restaurant, that's my favorite resort. It's hard to say which resort is my favorite. They're all great, but they're all like different kids, right? You got different kids. You know, one kid's more active and more, you know, outgoing. One kid's more shy, but you love the kids either way. And the second question I get is, how's the seaweed? How's the sargassum? Well, up here at TRS Coral, you know this, or at least you probably know this. There's a lot less shade here at TRS Coral than at TRS Yucatan, right? And because Marty wants me to stay in the shade because I'm fair skinned, you know, yeah, you got the umbrellas here and all that, but there's a lot more, you know, it's what I call the jungle down at TRS Yucatan. But I mean, the sargassum, the seaweed is not really bad here today. Now it's the second week of June 2022, beautiful weather. Now let me just pan over here to the left. The guy is all the way down there with the tractor, you know, picking it up, and it's only like about 8 o'clock in the morning here. But it's a beautiful day here at TRS Coral. A lot of great folks I've been meeting, people coming up to me and saying hi. And I will tell you, the service, the food, the carts are running better than ever. So if you haven't been here lately, they're at about 85% occupancy rate now here at TRS Coral and Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. Now keep in mind, June is rainy season, so don't come down here. Oh, it rained, I'm alone, I'm afraid, because 2 weeks ago, I mean, it rained like for 2 weeks straight, basically, back to back, you know, weather systems. But for the week I've been here, June 8th through the 15th, it's been absolutely perfect. I took the catamaran over to 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐿 yesterday, got a flat tire on the go-kart, which was not fun, but that's okay, still had a great time. From TRS Coral, Scott Lara, hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you.